Hello, Dr. Sanwaj Alam, working as an assistant professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about the concept of trade and development and relation between trade and development. The potential exists for international trade to serve the development success. However, is the hidden existence of certain productions of enabling environment within the state or region that supports the trade development correlations. Trade is not an end in itself or a fundamental objective that should be pursued. Such a human rights or decent work, the trade is a cross-cutting tools as engine for growth and development that can be mainstreamed in other policies and will impact positively on development under the certain preconditions. These conditions as put forward by the United Nations Center for Trade and Development's UNCTAD as well as state policy official included. Viewing trade as a part of a comprehensive development policy, trade cannot be seen as a start-alone policy but must be enabled into a broader development strategy and agenda for inclusive sustainable growth. Acting as well as all the level, the inclusions of trade should invade all activities. National ownerships, the trade policy decisions and reforms being made should reflect the national country experience and be specific to the national situations. A one-size-fits-all approach should not be taken in the implementing of trade-related issue, but the engaging the participations national participations being made should reflect the national country experience and be specific national situations. A one-size-fits-all approach should not be taken in the implement of trade-related issue, but engaging the participant in international tradings. System should be driven by the national strategy which seek long-term sustainable benefit of trade policies. Trade related assistance should be pinned to conditionals that add to not advantage for the growth and development from trades. Countries' receipt of trade assistance should not be held tight as an unable situations. Promote regional integration, the importance of international regional integration process to our region unreasonable. The potential benefit that can be arise through the closer and deeper tie between the countries have been duly recognized within the greater Caribbean, especially as it relates to the success of projects and initiatives. One of the avenues which countries can use to cultivate the conditions of trade are mainstream trade defined in the compendium of UIA documents. Further, a working definition of the terms state the mainstream trade policy in national development strategy involve the systematic promotions of mutually reinforcing policy action across the government department and agencies, creating in support of agri development goals. Deeper understanding of how trade policies can complement and reinforce policy action across the boards is important step in achievement enhancement development goals. Trade is a process reflecting of state policies and priority area of action within the overall national development plans.